Welcome to another unboxing. This day we are doing GMS-WT-5 extended gaming mousepad, which you can already see here. It lights up with different colors when you press a button. This is powered via USB port. It cycles through different colors, or you could set it to auto where it would have random interactions or cycles through the other colors. As such, it's a very cheap extended gaming mousepad, but it definitely does the job. Very smooth to the touch, and you can fit both your keyboard and mouse here, even a full-size headset, and you would still have enough space to game. So it's a very good choice for an extended gaming mousepad. Not that you'd be spending as much as those that they sell for Corsair, but this is a very good alternative. Alright, thanks.